Saturday.
Sunday 아니야?
Oh, Sunday?
아 오늘 Saturday야?
Saturday.
어제.
어.
So I realized our family hasn't gone out to eat for a few months because we cook dinner at home a lot. So for lunch today, I think we're gonna go eat 감자탕. It's our favorite. The kids, we haven't ate that for a few months, so we'll take you to our favorite 감자탕. Should I wear? Is today like 80 degrees? We have an air purifier in our closet. That's why it sounds like a fan is running. But what's the weather? Gold or silver? Gold looks better. I just wear these simple gold hoops today. Dress. Where's Yana's outfit?
아.
어때?
아 어떻게?
Well, I'm 5'5". Yana's gonna be my height soon. I think I hurt my neck yesterday when I was working out. So I put this on. It's like a Japanese thing. Whenever you have like muscle aches, this is the best. The red one. And then the card later for snack, I'm gonna take this. My friend Suzanne brought this yesterday. She brought 2 bags. She says from Trader Joe's, the Pink Lady apple chips. If you guys like cinnamon, you guys will really like this. Let's go. I love skirts. I can't stop buying skirts. These are both from Zara, by the way. Hey, did you like the cinnamon thing? And dried apple chips, but it tastes like cinnamon. So he likes the cinnamon, but Sana doesn't like it. It's good, right? Yeah. Aiden's going to Aespa concert in 2 days. But in New York, New Jersey, it's gonna be 30 degrees, which is crazy because here it's 80 degrees today. Those are traffic.
이거는 세일에 나왔어.
Speaking of Aespa, Young and I, we did a Armageddon Aespa dance on Reels, and that hit like almost 30 million views. Here. Got the small size. Actually comes with a lot, and we get rice. Now got the egg rice, kerambat. Wow, a lot of meat under here. Just rip the meat off the bones. There's a lot of vegetables. There's even duck in here. 감자탕, and people think like 감자 also means potatoes. It's actually from the meat that's in between the bones. I guess that's called 감자. Cutting the meat off for the kids. You do with your rice. So good. Gave us free drinks. We're so full. We have like some potatoes left. We throw the bones away in here. Get some boba. It's actually in the same building area, but then it's on the way end, so we're just gonna drive. This is our favorite boba place. We get the regular milk tea. We're gonna stop by a claw machine now. Tana got this black little doll for me at one of the claw machines in H Mart. I have a photo booth here. Oh, look at me. Oh. How much is the selfie photo booth?
It's 6 rupees.
Could trade in like the small ones for the big ones. So we traded the coins and we got bags. Come on, Sonu, you could do it. What should I do? Chicken. Hey, I finally got one.
야, 붙어.
One. Click the retake button to take the photo.
We're gonna be here for 10 minutes, but we're here for an hour. So Sonu traded 10 of the little dolls for this big doll, and so cute. There's like 10 of these little cute dolls in here. Back home, I'm so tired. So I think my cousin and our friends are gonna come over for dinner. It's already almost 4, so we're gonna prepare for dinner soon. They want to make 부대찌개 and 탕수육. So 부대찌개, the name comes from like in Korea, it's called like army soup. Stopped by Target to buy a few ingredients that we will need for dinner. Oh, I also wanted to show you a couple things that we bought from the Korean Shion Mart yesterday. So my cousin said these were good, like the frozen section, so I'll show you. So this is frozen shrimp. It's the CJ brand. How many is in here? And then this is also our favorite. It's like seafood pancake, japchae. It's like mini sizes. My Yeonu loves this. And the Korean potato pancake. I haven't tried this yet, but my cousin said these two are good. This is potato pancake as well. This is Hanu's favorite. The hot dog, the mini hot dog. So there's like honey in here, right?
Yeah, I think.
Filled with honey filling inside, a sweet bun. So we just microwave this. Like if you're gonna eat 2 or 3, you just have to microwave it for like 15 seconds. Hey, how many are you gonna eat?
10.
No. 선우는?
오빠? 나 이거 다른 거 하면 안 돼.
Yesterday when my friend Susan and me came over, we were playing Ghost Stop. Do you guys know how to play this? It's my favorite. Ghost Stop, and Sonu and her daughter made us like fake money. Stickers in the back. So instead of playing with real money, we just play with fake money. So pink cinnamon. I was also showing her my Medicube little Sailor Moon Angel booster device. The full-size cello, but he has the... Oh, you put it away in the bag? This is the 3/4 size, but he will be able to use my cello maybe next year.
오빠 이거 아직 타이가 안 했어.
뭐?
나 연습하고 있습니다 아직.
뭐 기본이지.
Okay, so I'm just gonna cut all these.
바닥에 꽂아.
이렇게 많이 한 거야?
됐어.
Secret coin. Okay, this is ready to boil. We just need to pour this in there and then Aiden's secret sauce. Yum.
뽑아. 하고 나머지 물로 채우는 거지. 배우는 거 그거밖에 안 한다고? 그러면 심한 모양. 그렇지.
Okay, now he's gonna fry that, and he already made the sauce. Do we make a video on this 옛날에? How to make 탕수육? Friends are here. So crispy. You could pour the sauce on top, but we like to dip it as we eat it because it stays crispy. So. 그때 하나 산 거 아니야?
저기서 먹는 거야. 내려갈까? 배고파? 그럼 여기 앉아서 먹을래?
제이도 고기랑 먹을래?
지금 없어 왜? 짐이 없다고?
Everyone left, so I'm gonna clean all this. So I just got done doing the dishes. I'm about to watch some Netflix. I've been obsessed with Project Runway. I remember I used to always watch that when I was younger. But while I was watching it, I was thinking like, maybe it'll be fun to like design a top and my mom could make it because she has been a tailor for over 30 years, and before she became a tailor, she used to work at those big clothing companies, like factories where they made all the clothes for all the department stores. So I remember when I was like very young, I used to just chill there at the factories and like watch my mom and like all her friends like sew and make all the clothes. So I kind of drew this. So this is kind of like the top that I want. So I think that would be fun if I vlog it next time of me just like going to buy the fabric and then going to my mom's tailor shop and you guys watch me bring this to life. Food? What food? What do you want? Okay, let me finish this book.
Papa, I already made 탕수육. So
I was reading some of your comments and there was a few questions I wanted to answer. So someone asked like, how are your boys so well behaved and do I ever get help like watching the kids? So no, I do not get any other help, like no mother-in-law. My mom doesn't help because she's always working. My mother-in-law is in Korea. So Aiden, he's a freelance like photographer, so basically he's home like all day, every day. He goes out for like photo shoots sometimes in the weekends. So we kind of watch the kids and raise the kids together. Like, people I know, they're always asking me like, how are your boys so well behaved? Like, how are they so good? And honestly, I'm like, I think it's just their personality. And even when they were like born up until now, they were never bad. Like they never misbehaved, they never got in trouble. Like they're very shy and they have a very quiet personality even when they're out in public. Their personality has been the same since they were like born up till now. So yes. And someone also asked about my hair routine. So right now all I'm using is shampoo. So I've been using this for like over a year. This is my favorite, the Aveeno, but it's the blue one, the Refresh and Thicken. I think there's different types. But after I started using this, like I had less hair fallouts, less dandruff, and yeah, my hair just feels more full and healthy. For now, I'm not using any conditioner because I realized like I have very sensitive skin. So whenever I use some type of conditioner, I get like pimples on my scalp or like I break out like behind my neck. So I don't use any conditioner, but sometimes like I do use like serums after I dry my hair. So these are my two favorite ones. This is the Mijeongsan. I showed this a couple of times. My friend Suin in Korea, she uses this and I used it when I was staying at her house. I was like, oh, this smells so good and feels like I just like walked out of a hair salon, like the smell. So this is like a nutritional supplement leave-in hair treatment. So yeah, that's literally all I use for my hair. Thanks for watching my vlog. I'll talk to you guys next time.